Most people view decision-making as a taxing, willpower-heavy process of weighing endless pros and cons. That is a failure of system architecture. If you find yourself paralyzed by choices, it is because you have not defined your operating constraints. Today, we install the Value-Based Decision Protocol, the ultimate cheat code for bypassing analysis paralysis and executing with absolute conviction. The constraint is alignment latency, the friction caused when your actions contradict your internal code. When your core values are vague or unarticulated, every decision requires a massive expenditure of mental energy because you have no objective filter. To fix this, you must implement core value auditing. This is not an abstract exercise, it is the process of identifying the 3 to 5 non-negotiable standards that govern your life. Next, execute the value filter. Before you make any high-stakes decision, run it through your code. Does this action align with your core values, or is it a compromise? If it compromises your architecture, the decision is made instantly. You do not do it. This eliminates the maybe phase of decision-making, converting complex emotional dilemmas into binary, logical outputs. Finally, practice recursive alignment. As you grow, your environment changes, and so must your values. Schedule a quarterly review to ensure your core values still serve your current mission. By keeping your internal code updated, you ensure that every decision you make compounds your success rather than draining your bandwidth. Stop wasting energy on indecision. Define your values, install the filter, and watch your speed of execution accelerate. When you know who you are, you know exactly what to do. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busy work. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.